Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices and batteries so nothing interrupts setup. Power on the smart TV and set it to the correct input. This ensures signals will register. Identify whether your universal remote uses IR or RF and keep the TV manual or model number handy because you'll need the correct code. Once done, insert fresh batteries and make sure the remote's LED or indicator lights respond when buttons are pressed. This saves time and prevents false failures later in pairing. You now link the remote to the TV by entering a code or running the auto search. If you have a code list or companion app, input the digits exactly as instructed. This maps remote commands to TV functions. If not, use the remote's code scan or auto search mode while pointing straight at the TV. Press power or volume to detect a match. Make sure to test power and volume responses once the TV follows commands reliably. Lock or save that code so it remains paired. You finish by programming remaining buttons and verifying every control works. Input, guide, app shortcuts. Walk through channel and app access to confirm full functionality. If something fails, don't panic. Replace batteries, reattempt the same code, or try alternative codes and run the auto search again. Sometimes proximity or angle affects IR. Restart the TV and remote between attempts. Only perform a full remote reset if every code fails, because resetting clears saved mappings and forces a complete reprogram.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.